Hi, I'm Kimberly Caldwell. You might recognize me from hosting red carpet shows like the Grammys and other entertainment shows, and I just got done recording my debut album. But at the end of the day, I face the same challenges as anybody else, like finding the confidence to look and feel my best. It wasn't until I gained some extra pounds that I realized I needed help. And like they say, taking the weight off is a whole lot easier than keeping it off. That's why I turned to Paraslim, the all-natural dietary supplement that helps me maintain a healthy weight while super energizing my day. I take Paraslim with my breakfast, and then I feel more alert, more focused, and able to fight midday snacking and late-night cravings. And Paraslim is a natural combination of rich nutrients without the unhealthy side effects of artificial stimulants. And the online Paraslim plan automatically helps me track my healthy diet and exercise. Also helps me choose my favorite meals. So forget those fad diets and say goodbye to those energy drinks with all that sugar. Try Paraslim to help you change your life for the better and become a stunning new you. It worked for me.